Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? Today I'm doing a upper body focused workout video. It's been requested by a number of you guys. So as you can see, I started off with some lateral pull downs. This can be extremely beneficial in building your upper body strength, and it targets muscles like the biceps, the deltoids. It's also quite beneficial in keeping the shoulder healthy, so you get that nice upper body pump. So I went into some side raises, and it can be classified as a shoulder exercise. Targets muscles like the deltoid, the trapezius. I feel like this is a really good one just to help with more definition, looking more chiseled in that area. I did 10 to 15 reps of it. I believe I did 15 reps. I don't remember, about 10 to 15 reps, 3 sets is pretty good for me. I pretty much just went on into some front raises. It strengthens the shoulder and stabilizes the muscles. I did like 10 reps of this. I was just using the bar for this one. I then went into doing some single leg deadlifts plus shrugs. So I used the Smith machine to do this movement, which it's really just unilateral. So this was helping with this was focusing on my hamstrings, which isn't really a part of the whole focus of this video. But as you can see, when I came up, I did shrugs. So what this does is really target the upper body again. So as you can see, I really squeezed on the way up, and I did like 10 reps on each side, well, on each leg. So in all, for my shoulder area, it was like 20 reps. So yeah. And then I moved into doing some rows. These are classics. These just really target the lats. And when doing this, it's best to try to keep your head up. You see like how I looked down at one point? No, try to keep your head up while doing this. It really helps with the posture of everything and just the form. I did like 10 reps of this, and it looks easier than it actually was for me. As you can see, my hand was kind of wobbly at this point because I really try to focus on form and really just maintaining every movement that I do, so I feel the effect of everything. This was like my second to last thing that I did, and it was, I'd say these are like around the world. I did like 10 reps of this, and I did like, I believe this was like 5-pound plates that I was using. As you can see, I pretty much kept my arms like straight, and I also try my best to keep my knees soft while doing this movement, and just really focus on mind and muscle connection. I went straight into this movement here, which I really don't know what to call this. I don't know what these are called. My trainer told me to do them. I don't remember what he called them. I did 20 reps of this, and these are killer, totally burners. So yeah, it was an amazing pump. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, this workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, go ahead, give it a thumb up, and let me know which other workout you'd like to see. As you can see, I've been doing this like once a week, like a fitness video once a week. So let me know how you're liking that. And yeah, that's it for today. So until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.